Clotaire, wake up!
Lucrezia? Lucrezia, is that you? Is it really you?
Of course it is me, my beautiful angel.
I am delighted to see you, my sister.
And I have missed you, my darling Clotaire.
You are no longer displeased with me.
I could never stay vexed with you. Besides, I know you only pretend to be wicked. You have done something very fine, Clotaire.
You flatter me.
I know what you've done. I offer you my gratitude. Isn't it a splendid day, my brother?
He has his father's arrogant eyebrows.
Would you like to know his name?
I do hope it isn't something ghastly.
Ghastly? Indeed. His name is Clotaire Léon.
My very own Clotaire!
Thank you, dear friend, for sitting with me in the Candlelight Cinema.